Okay, next up we have Kriti Bhargava, who will talk about sensor networks.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Nowadays, we're surrounded by sensors that are embedded in different smart devices that we own. And they're basically there to monitor our day-to-day activities as well as analyze the state of our environment. Similarly, a wide variety of sensors have been designed to be deployed in a farming environment so as to study the different processes on a farm, such as grass production, milk quality, and more importantly, the health and activity of the animals. Data from the farm is collected and sent to a remote server for analysis, and the results of these analyses is used by the farmer to take corrective measures if necessary. However, the cloud-based computing causes delay in getting insights from the data and might not be useful in a later time and date. Therefore, in this work, we look at the analytics that can be brought down from the cloud to the sensor devices on the farm. Firstly, we identify a set of precision farming applications that require latency-sensitive information and require a deployment within the farm. Secondly, we design an algorithmic framework that can reduce the problem at hand into a set of tasks suitable for implementation on these sensor devices. And thirdly, we develop a communication framework to allow interaction between the different sensor nodes. So far, we've looked at research questions 1 and 2, and we've identified the set of applications that require in-network analysis. And we have come up with different algorithms to divide this problem into smaller data mining tasks, such as decision tree-based classification or regression or histogram modeling, to be executed on the sensor devices. We intend to validate our algorithmic framework and communication paradigm using a testbed that consists of sensor devices as well as a gateway node. And in the future, we envisage a farm with smarter cows that are able to detect event in real time through interaction with its own environment. And hopefully, this will in turn improve the productivity and sustainability of a dairy farm. Thank you.
Thank you, Kriti, for a very interesting speech. Do you think the current technology and sensors available has a power band available to deal with the data and computation that's needed?
The main reason for energy expense on the sensor devices is the communication which is needed to transfer packets to the cloud and not the analysis that can be performed. So with advances in IoT, there has been an increase in the computational capabilities of these sensor devices, and they have the power to compute lightweight data mining tasks that we are proposing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kriti.